wa ithurano-inĩ nĩ gũtigĩrĩra atongoria arĩa mathurwo megũthiĩ na mbere na gũkorwo makĩgacĩrithia kĩama na oho gũkorwo magĩkinyanĩria kĩoneki gĩa kĩama matũũra-inĩ.
This exercise started in earnest this morning as early as 8 o'clock, and they have done very well. The organization is super, the quality is good. The organization, especially the digital platform where you're voting, is quick and fast. So nobody is taking more than 5 minutes there. Today we can see a good number of around 300 people who have come, showing that this party is actually popular even at the grassroots.
Whenever you support the government in power, the resources are always scarce in in a third world country. Therefore, somehow the government mostly focus on the areas that it gets support because the resources are scarce. We cannot be able to do like America, whereby they are able to do across the country. But here the resources are extremely scarce because this is our third world. We must agree on that skate.